and shake some people up, Marie, here in the very near future so that we can build some momentum to get the things that we need as far as resources.
We can encourage Seattle to reach out here. You know, yeah. I'm good with a couple of those counselors.
Yeah, and Chris King is here. He's as I told you, he's doing a story here on the election. Here, I'll let you tell him yourself. He's standing right here in my office. Here's on speaker.
Oh, hey, Marie, how are you?
I'm well. How are you doing? And thanks for all the good work you do.
Oh, it's all good now. You know, I can't be any other way. But I was just thinking that, you know, I could talk to a couple of the counselors out in Seattle and have them reach out to the right people out here to say, hey, look, this is something that's worth your while, something that you need to be doing.
Yeah.
I could focus today and this week in getting things out that would be able to easily just flip over into what you do as well, where you can jump into the fray and we don't miss a beat.
Kent County Delaware reporter candidate Mark Gunn was unable to attend today's NAACP rally because he was busy with another mortgage industry professional and me documenting the abuses of power and privilege right here in America's oldest state, where old traditions of racism and oppression die hard, if at all. After the Registry of Deeds refused to allow our cameras in the lobby today, by and through Betty Lou McKenna's deputy clerk, we set about town trying to speak with the principals involved, but everywhere we went, no one was available. This despite my phone calls last week to McKenna and to her attorney, John Pardee.
As I mentioned before, I've gone 100 days and not seen her in this office. She's probably across town working at the clothing store, which is her full-time job. This is a part-time job, which obviously protecting the people is not a big deal. And as I mentioned, we're in front of the Kent County Court Administrative Complex, where the recorder deeds of Kent County is located.
Thank you, Mr. Gunn.
Thank you, sir.
They're paying $35,000 for nothing.
Yeah, and 100% medical. That's really the reason why she's fighting for it. She's filed bankruptcy multiple times.
I got it now.
You know, did a deal with the bank, which is why, you know, I want to believe that she sold the people out, did the deed in lieu of foreclosure so she wouldn't appear on the public sheriff's sale list. You know, every time she gets debts and she uses multiple names to acquire credit and so forth, obtain credit, you know, she uses a maiden name and other names and then files bankruptcy.
Oh my God.
And I have all that information. I'll be giving it to you.
Yes, I'm Christopher King. I'm with Mortgage Movies, and I telephoned her last week, and I didn't get a response. There were some specific concerns I had regarding allegations that were made regarding Lamar Gunn that, to my knowledge, are unsubstantiated, that he was trying to unlawfully court absentee ballots and that he conducted a voter registration drive at the campus illegally. And I called her and I called her attorney and I says, look, I was a real estate lawyer. Can we just,
Sure.
talk about this? And nobody returned my call. Okay. And so I thought I would try to find Lou here.
Well, she's not here today.
I see.
Do you have a card?
Yeah, I do. I do.
I can do that.
I appreciate that.
Thank you.
Okay. Have a great night then.
You too.
So we're here at King Cast Mortgage Movies, and contrary to what it says on the door, I'm not very welcome at the Kent County offices because here at the recorder's office, I'm not allowed to run video without an appointment. But I called last week. I tried to speak to Betty Lou McKenna, the incumbent, and the purported victor in the elections this season against Lamar Gunn. After 2 recounts were conducted, and then it went to the Board of Canvass. But in any event, leaving that aside, I tried to, set something up, and she ignored me. So now I'm not allowed to run video in the building. But it's a publicly subsidized building. I don't understand this. So I'm going to visit this issue upon her attorney, John Pardee. That's it.